Hi, we're back in the kitchen today. We're going to be making carne caldo. It's a Mexican stew, and what it consists of is either pork or beef ground up. So we're going to do ground beef today with potatoes, onions, jalapenos, garlic, tomatoes, tomato sauce, and seasonings. We're going to walk you through step by step on how to make it. So I'm going to ground my meat, cook it before I add anything to it. You put a little oil in it. You want to make sure that your meat is cooked all of the way. Before you add anything to it. So I found this recipe online and I just had to try it because I like stuff like this, and he does too. So once your meat is pretty much browned all the way, you're going to leave everything in the pot, the juices, because that makes a good flavoring. So everything is pretty much browned. There's no pink left in there. I'm going to add my potatoes and jalapenos and all of the other ingredients now. And for the potatoes, you're going to have about 5 medium-sized potatoes and about 4 jalapenos. You're going to dice them. You're going to chop them, not dice them, into round. You don't want to make them too small. And you're going to do 2 garlic cloves, diced. Get all of that stirred together. Now with the seasonings, we're going to do chicken bouillon, a good spoonful. We're going to do tomato bouillon, another good spoonful, cumin, you pretty much season to taste. put a small can of tomato sauce. And we're going to put enough water in here to cover the potatoes. This is whole tomatoes. Do a can of whole tomatoes. Thank you. I'm just going to cut them up roughly. Like I said, this is a stew. So just cut everything up roughly. And this is my first time to make this. I wanted to try it. I seen it online and it looked so amazing. So I told him, I said, we'll make this and do a video on it, so we can see how it turned out. Wipe my hands off. Okay, now I'm going to add water. Give me just a little more, about half. Now we're going to bring all of this up to a boil. We're going to test the seasoning of it once it comes to a boil. And once it comes to a boil, we will cook for 30 minutes. Until the potatoes and everything is soft in it. So we'll put a lid on it and let it cook once it comes to a boil. Did not add any pepper yet, so let's add some pepper. Add some salt. You don't have to add too much salt because you already added chicken bouillon and tomato bouillon, and that has salt in it already. Let me test it. Tastes pretty good. Let him test it. Need anything? Okay. So like I said, we're going to bring it to a boil. We're going to let it cook for 30 minutes. And then we're going to add the cornstarch to thicken up and let it cook for another 10 minutes, and then it'll be ready to go. So we'll be right back in just a few minutes. Okay, so I have mixed up 2 tablespoons of cornstarch with some water. I'm fixing to pour that in to thicken up our broth. Stir that in. The seasonings are great in it. So we're going to now let this cook. Since I just added the cornstarch, we're going to let it cook for about 10 more minutes. And then it will be ready to eat. So we'll see you in 10 minutes. Make sure that you go to our YouTube page and hit subscribe, like, share, ring that bell, keep up with all of our notifications and all of our posts. We'll be right back. Okay, we're back. And this is now done. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? So, put some in a bowl. Go. And we're going to try this out here. Let me get us some spoons out. All right. So.
It's hot.
It's very hot.
It's really hot.
Potatoes are really nice, not mushy. Very, very good. You can see the jalapenos that's in it and all the everything else. The seasoning is great. The thickness is perfect. All that we need now is some Mexican rice or some tortillas.
A tortilla would do.
So, with that being said, don't forget also, if you look up the cowboy candy video on how to make it, it will tell you how to get entered into a drawing.
A giveaway.
A giveaway.
Giveaway.
Yes. So make sure you go to our page, our Facebook page. You can look for the cowboy candy, or you can go to the YouTube page. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, like, share, ring the bell.
And we'll keep making more videos. Huh?
Exactly. So from our kitchen to your kitchen, from Charlie and Brandy's backyard gardening, and
more.
We hope you have a good day. Stay safe. Be blessed.
We love y'all.
Love y'all.
Please subscribe.
Bye-bye.
Bye, y'all.